Gould Academy guides students to be creative, courageous, and resilient, and to live lives of fulfillment and purpose. And we were really particular about the word guides. Am I looking at you or the camera? Talking to you, okay.
I don't need that. That was more my security blanket.
We're at Gould because it's the most important part of our lives, this adolescent journey. There's so many patterns of behavior, ways of being that become cemented by the end of our high school years, that it's really the critical juncture. It's one of the last best opportunities we have to help set people on their path.
We have worked really hard to ensure that every student here has a trusted adult and that they have somebody who's in their corner, who's rooting for them, who's supporting them.
We want students to really think about who they are in this world. Experiential learning is the heart of truly learning whatever it is you're setting out to learn.
We are an active and engaged community, and we have this wonderful natural environment and classroom at our doorstep.
The state of Maine is unbelievable. We are perched in this northwest corner of Maine, 90 minutes from the ocean, about 5 minutes from Sunday River Ski Resort, 5 minutes from the Androscoggin River, 20 minutes to Mount Washington and the White Mountain National Forest. It's an unbelievable location, and it is a gem.
One thing Gould does really well is foster belonging, which is different than fitting in, right? We don't ask kids to fit into a certain mold. We want them to show up who they are and feel like they can belong no matter who they are.
Makes me so happy to have kiddos like them in the world today. So congratulations, Fiona and Neil.
It's kind of a unique location for a boarding school. We're in the town, this beautiful sort of quaint New England village of Bethel. And on the western side of our campus, we look out at vast wilderness and this huge playground. And then if you look east from campus, you're looking at a grocery store and a post office and restaurants and shops. So you really get the best of both worlds. It's this boundary, this area between civilization and wilderness. In science, they call these transitory spaces ecotones. And those are often places where there's great beauty and also tremendous energy. I like to think of Gould sitting at one of those boundary points, one of those fault lines. And not only do we occupy this physical space, this physical ecotone, but we are working with adolescents who are at that boundary space, that transitory space, going from being a child to an adult. And there's tremendous energy in that moment.
I can't think of many other places where the people that work here are so passionate about everything that we do.
We put things in front of kids where they can make choices and they can choose to be their authentic selves and bring who they are to what they're doing.
You come to Gould because you are both academic and adventurous, because you want to be your best intellectual self and to pursue learning and knowledge and to grow, and because you have this sense of adventure and this spirit of adventure.
Sometimes you may not know exactly what you're going into, and that experience is going to help you to just see what are you capable of and what do you learn along the way.
I think there's an element of joy that sort of radiates from working with kids and radiates from this place. And we view our community as being all in this together.